If you and your friend are standing in different spots on a field, how would you calculate the exact distance between you? Today we'll learn the formula for that. The distance between 2 points is the length of the straight line joining them on a coordinate plane. We measure it using their coordinates. We draw a right triangle. The horizontal side is the difference in x values. The vertical side is the difference in y values. The distance is the hypotenuse. By Pythagoras' theorem, d squared equals the horizontal squared plus the vertical squared. So the distance formula is d equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Example 1. Find the distance between A 1 2 and B 4 6. The horizontal difference is 4 minus 1, which is 3. The vertical difference is 6 minus 2, which is 4. Substitute into the formula. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. The square root of 25 is 5. So the distance is 5 units. Example 2, a bit harder. Find the distance between P, -2 3, and Q, 4 -1. Horizontal difference is 4 minus -2, which is 6. Vertical difference is -1 minus 3, which is -4. Six squared is 36. -4 squared is 16. 36 plus 16 is 52. Simplify the square root of 52 to 2 root 13. That's our distance. Common mistake. Many students forget that squaring a negative number gives a positive result. -4 squared is positive 16, not -16. Always remember, any number squared is positive. Remember the 4 S's, subtract the coordinates, square each difference, sum them together, then square root the result. Master this and you'll never get it wrong in your exam. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons just like this one. Visit ovasaabi.com for notes and practice questions. See you in the next video.